Welcome to our comparison video, where we delve into two popular foot massagers, the MIKO foot massager machine and the COMFIER shiatsu foot massager. We'll explore their features, pricing, and user experiences to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your needs. When it comes to price, the MIKO foot massager machine is positioned at a premium price of $249, while the COMFIER shiatsu foot massager offers a more budget-friendly option at just $89. This significant difference in pricing may influence your decision based on your budget and the features you are looking for. The MIKO foot massager boasts advanced features such as deep kneading, air compression, and 2 wireless remotes, making it a comprehensive choice for foot therapy. In contrast, the COMFIER model, while effective, provides a simpler experience with shiatsu rollers and basic heat therapy. Depending on your needs, the choice of features could sway your decision. In terms of size and weight, the MIKO foot massager is larger and heavier, weighing in at 10 pounds and measuring 18 by 16 by 10 inches. On the other hand, the COMFIER shiatsu foot massager is more compact at 6.79 pounds and dimensions of 13.7 by 12.8 by 6.8 inches, making it easier to store and move around. If space is a concern, this could be a deciding factor. In conclusion, both the MIKO and COMFIER foot massagers have their unique strengths. The MIKO offers advanced features and a premium experience, while the COMFIER provides a budget-friendly alternative. Consider your needs and preferences before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more